Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Omniswap token. Ticker symbol is Omni, OMNI. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, August 5th. We're going to go over the information on the Omniswap token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Omniswap token. So Omniswap, ticker symbol Omni, is being listed August 5th at 10 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you get this token is you'd simply go right through that Mexc referral code in the description box down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search OMNI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So yes, August 5th, 10 o'clock UTC time. Now this token is on the Binance Smart Chain, and according to their BSC scan, they already have 1,276 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a total supply of 21 million Omni tokens. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, omniswap.io, you're going to find tons of information over there. Now, they also have a Telegram and a Twitter that you could follow as well. So their Telegram their Twitter is listed on the Mexc Global announcement page. You could find it on there, or you could just go to @Omniswap_ on Twitter. Now they have 39,000 Twitter followers already, so they're doing very well on their Twitter. It's kind of weird sometimes. A token could have, almost 40,000 Twitter followers, but then only 1,000 holders. So it's kind of weird how some things do better than others. Maybe their Twitter's been around longer. Who knows? But yeah, 39,000 Twitter followers, only 18 tweets. So it almost seems like they just revamped it from another Twitter, maybe changed the name, all that type of stuff, because their Twitter has been around since June 2022. Omniswap is a Web3 decentralized incubation platform based on Binance Smart Chain. Its services cover decentralized financial services such as a decentralized exchange, LP mining, and NFT, and that's what it says on their Twitter. So I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the page so you guys can easily find what I'm talking about there. Now, their Telegram is listed on here as well. @Omniswap official, 55,000 Telegram followers. So yeah, an insane amount of Telegram followers and Twitter followers, but yet only 1,000 holders. Maybe their holders will, kind of take off the more central exchanges they get though. So we'll see what happens once this Mexc Global listing happens here. Now, if you go to their webpage, omniswap.io, you could change the language. You can connect your wallet to the page. It says Omniswap Protocol Exchange, Earn, and Build. And then underneath that, you can click on the application so you could use their app. Also, NFT pre-sale. So they're selling NFTs right now in their pre-sale stage. And they also have other socials on here as well. Medium articles, a Discord, they have a contact email, Twitter, Telegram, all listed on here as well. Now, on their webpage as well, you can also click on their exchange. You can click on pledge, node ranking, My Community, Connecting Wallet, and the NFT presale. So all sorts of stuff on there. So on their Medium, let's see if they even have any Medium articles yet. It looks like nothing happens when, okay, there we go. So it has only one Medium article so far. So they don't have a white paper or anything like that. So maybe their Medium article is going to describe a bunch of the project here. So it says, Omniswap is a leading Web3 startup incubation platform that aims to provide blockchain solutions, tokenization incubation services, token economics model design, and global community creation for quality Web3 projects. Through its innovative economic model and robust incubator products, Omniswap offers a financing gateway for early-stage Web3 startups, helping them to establish a funding framework. With the upcoming Bitcoin halving narrative and the start of a new cycle for the ecosystem, Omniswap is committed to empowering more high-quality Web3 projects to become the next super unicorns. Join us. Omniswap is launching an ambassador program and is looking for passionate and enthusiastic individuals to make our community stronger and more vibrant. Some of you may be good at writing articles, finding investment strategies for blockchain ecology, video content producer or online event organizer. Do you have skills that are useful to Omniswap? So they're looking for people to help them out if you want to do that. So it says, we focus on true value exchanges, and we know that our ambassadors want visibility, assistance, yada, 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 yada. So they have a huge thing about the ambassadors program if you do want to become an ambassador, if you're a content creator, crypto investor, community moderator, translator. Shows you what kind of tasks you can do, like bug bounties, things like that. So it looks like there is going to be a DAO, because they talk about a DAO here. You could be part of that, so a decentralized autonomous organization. So basically, besides that, it looks like most of the information is going to be on their socials, because on their webpage you can click on exchange, and that'll just take you to their decentralized exchange, and you can use that. And you can click on liquidity too. You can provide liquidity there. You can click on pledge. So basically their webpage is not information, but it's the use cases. So if you want to actually use the products, that's what the web page is all about. And if you want to find information, updates, things like that, go to their socials. You can also get involved in the NFT presale, which I mentioned. And you can get involved with the NFT presale, the decentralized exchange, liquidity, all those things by connecting your wallet right on the page as well. So check out omniswap.io and check out this newly listed token, the Omni token, on Mexc Global. Check out the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. Leave a comment. Hit the join button if you want to help support. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.